I built this n8n based risk assessment engine for US insurance companies that provides earthquake-based property coverages. The system reads target zip codes from a Google Sheet over here, and just keep a note at these fields because this particular Google Sheet is required to run this particular automation. So just keep a note at it. And after we read the zip code from the Google Sheet, we start batch processing each zip code individually one by one. And we retrieve the location. After that, we start, you know, extracting the seismic events that have happened from last decade with the magnitude and classify those events into two different events, which are normal peer events and dangerous events that includes that possibly includes you know property damages. So we seriously measures those things and we perform a serious risk scoring analysis. So after that, we save the risk analysis things to the database. That's it. So let's just see things in action. So yeah, the execution was completed. So that's it for today.